And you're going to go a half circle, down, and make another half circle up. S's are very tricky letters, but I know that you're all very good at them. Watch me. Is this an S?
No.
I don't start on that plane line. I'm starting at the dot. Is this an S?
No.
Do I go above the plane line?
No.
No. So we start at the dot, just tap that plane line, come back down, and up. Okay. Let's start. Wait, pencil still down. We're going to do that uppercase, that capital S, and then you can go on. Where does the capital S start? On the dot. Will there always be a dot when you're writing? No. So where does it start? It starts below the skyline. So it bumps that skyline, comes back down, and where does it touch when it comes back down? The floor of the ground line. Okay, so is this an S?
No.
What is it not touching?
The skyline.
The skyline. Good. Is this an S?
No.
What is it not touching?
The ground.
The ground line. So we're coming up, bumping the sky, coming back down, and bumping the bottom. It's hard and tricky to make it stay between those two lines, so we're going to try the best. Is it okay if it goes a little under or a little over, just a little bit? Yeah, but not too much. Make sure you have complete control over your pencil, okay? So go ahead and start writing. Where does the H start?
At the top.
At the top, which is what line?
The skyline.
The skyline. We're going to go straight down to that ground line. Come back up. Does it bump the skyline again? No, it touches that plane line. Okay? Oops, bleeding a little. Okay, so is this an H?
No.
No, that's a floating letter. We don't want that. Is this an H? No, it only bumps that plane line, okay? So then our second one, our H's are pretty, we got this, ready? So our capital H, we start at the skyline, we go down for that first line, we start at that skyline again and go down, and then we connect them on the plane line, okay? I know you guys can do that one. Okay, so go ahead and work on that. Our heart words for today. Okay, had to remind myself. So, we actually have a couple that are decodable, so they're not really heart words, they are just high frequency words. So say high frequency. High frequency means that we hear them a lot and we may write them a lot, so we need to know how to spell them before we even learn how to do so. So, first one is no. Everyone, let's tap that out. No. Oh. How many sounds do we hear? 2 sounds. So, what's the first sound you hear? What letter goes with the sound Grace? N. Okay. Second sound is O. What letter goes with the sound O? O. Not ah. It's not nah. It's no. Cora?
Not no.
Oh. So, that is how we spell the word no. This is called an open syllable, which means our vowel doesn't have anything after it. Our vowel is open. This is like an open door, which means our vowel says its name. Lily, mask back on, please. So, it's not a heart word because there's a rule that goes with it. But it's a word. We need to know how to spell that. So, everybody say no.
No.
Everybody, we're going to skywrite no. We're going to go N-O, no. Okay, do that 3 times with me. N-O, no. N-O, no. One more time. N-O, no. Sophia or Dylan, could you hit the door? Okay, watch what I'm gonna do. I have another open syllable to teach you. I don't know. I have another open syllable to teach you. So. So is another open syllable. What sound makes the, or what letter makes the s sound? Hey, Caitlin, thank you for raising your hand. S. And then we have our O, our open O, which makes so. Okay, everybody say so. We're going to skywrite that 3 times. S, O, so. S, O, so. S, O, so. Okay, our last red word, or heart word, is a heart word. Okay, if you know how to spell it, I will show you how it is a red word. Okay, so this word is of. Everybody say of. Like that was a piece of cake. So of. Everybody, let's tap it. Of. How many sounds? Hey, listen to my question. Which sound usually goes with the sound? Which letter usually goes with Kinsley? Not O, not usually U. Like umbrella. U. Which sound usually goes with the sound? 4. Okay, Rogelio. What letter?
Let me think.
Huh?
Let me think.
Okay, when you raise your hand, you know the answer. Grace. V. We do not spell of UV. Instead, of is spelt OF. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
Not really. So that is why it is a heart word. We got to know it by heart. We have to know it by heart because we can't just sound it out. Okay? Dylan, could you get the door?
You burned it.